Is your business growth hitting a financial wall? Every business, from a new startup to an established corporation, needs the right financial fuel to power its next big step. But finding a commercial lending partner with the scale, expertise, and flexibility to meet your exact needs can feel like navigating a maze. That's where EverBank steps in. They're not just offering standard loans, they provide a comprehensive suite of commercial financing solutions designed to give you an advantage, no matter your industry or goal. Let's break down the core commercial lending options EverBank provides. First, you have commercial and industrial lending. This is the backbone for general business needs. They offer flexible capital for working capital, managing cash flow, and permanent investments. This includes lines of credit, perfect for handling seasonal demands or unexpected expenses, and term loans for larger goals like purchasing machinery, expanding operations, or refinancing existing debt. EverBank C&I lending covers a wide range of sectors, including manufacturing, healthcare, logistics, and business services. Next, for businesses looking to expand their physical footprint, EverBank offers robust real estate financing. This includes financing for both owner-occupied real estate loans to purchase or refinance your own operating facility, and specialized multifamily lending for acquisition, refinancing, or construction takeout on properties with 5 or more units. They bring deep market expertise to help you secure your next commercial property with confidence. Then there's the critical area of equipment finance. EverBank covers this in 2 distinct ways. Corporate asset finance provides structured equipment loans and leases for large and middle market companies, covering high-value assets like aircraft, construction machinery, medical equipment, and manufacturing tools. In parallel, their vendor equipment finance division partners with vendors and manufacturers to offer fast, tailored financing options to their customers, helping them close more sales. Beyond the conventional, EverBank also specializes in complex financial structures. Their specialty and lender finance team provides structured financing, including credit facilities, to specialty finance companies and middle-market direct lenders. And for alternative asset managers, fund finance offers solutions like subscription credit facilities and net asset value facilities to optimize capital management. Finally, EverBank is committed to municipal growth through its public finance division, which focuses on customized financial solutions for local government agencies and infrastructure projects. The EverBank advantage is simple, specialized expertise across a wide product set, delivered with a focus on customized solutions and consistent execution. Whether you need a simple line of credit or a complex asset-backed facility, EverBank's dedicated specialists are there to move your business forward. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.